The power to reprogram your mind begins with understanding how the subconscious works. At its core, the subconscious mind is like a sponge, absorbing everything around you, from the conversations you have, to the images you see, to the emotions you experience. The key to unlocking its potential is realizing that it can be influenced and molded. But to truly harness its power, you must first become aware of the patterns that already exist within you. We often operate on autopilot, acting out behaviors and habits without conscious thought. These habits, both good and bad, are rooted in our subconscious mind. Imagine your mind as a vast garden, with thoughts as seeds. If you plant seeds of doubt, negativity, and fear, these will sprout into beliefs that shape your reality. However, by intentionally planting seeds of positivity, confidence, and purpose, you can grow a different kind of life, one filled with potential and fulfillment. The process of reprogramming your mind isn't an overnight task, but it's entirely possible with consistency and intention. The first step is awareness. Pay attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind. Are they empowering, or do they limit you? Are they supportive, or do they sabotage your growth? Once you recognize which thoughts are holding you back, you can begin to challenge and replace them. One of the most effective ways to do this is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, reinforcing the beliefs you want to cultivate. They work because, over time, they begin to rewire the neural pathways in your brain, replacing old, negative patterns with new, empowering ones. For example, instead of constantly thinking, "I can't do this," start saying, "I am capable, and I can achieve my goals." Repetition is key here, as the subconscious mind learns best through repeated exposure. Visualization is another powerful tool for reprogramming the subconscious. When you visualize your desired outcome, your mind begins to align with that vision. Picture yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions of success, and living the life you desire. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined, so the more vividly you can picture your success, the more your mind will work to make it a reality. But affirmations and visualization alone aren't enough. They must be paired with action. The subconscious mind responds to consistency, so it's crucial to take small, deliberate steps toward your goals every day. Whether it's dedicating time to personal development, practicing a new skill, or simply shifting your focus to positive thinking, every action reinforces the changes you're making within your mind. Another aspect of reprogramming your mind is overcoming limiting beliefs. These are deeply ingrained beliefs that we often aren't even aware of, yet they dictate much of our behavior. For example, if you believe you're not good enough, you might avoid opportunities that could lead to success. These limiting beliefs stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, and even things we've been told as children. The good news is that they can be unlearned. To identify these limiting beliefs, start by asking yourself why you think a certain way. If a thought arises like, "I'll never be successful," question it. Where did this belief come from? Is it rooted in reality, or is it a story you've been telling yourself? Once you've identified a limiting belief, it's time to challenge it. Replace it with a more empowering belief, one that aligns with the person you want to become. Surrounding yourself with positivity is crucial in this process. The people you spend time with, the media you consume, and the environments you inhabit all influence your subconscious mind. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it will be much harder to shift your mindset. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with positivity, inspiration, and encouragement, your mind will begin to reflect that. Meditation is another tool that can help in this journey. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, you can quiet the noise in your mind and connect with your deeper self. Meditation allows you to become more aware of your thoughts, helping you to observe them without judgment. This awareness is the first step in changing them. When you're calm and centered, it's easier to access the subconscious mind and plant the seeds of change. Gratitude is another powerful practice for reprogramming the mind. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what's lacking in your life. This simple shift in focus can have profound effects on your subconscious mind. Gratitude trains your brain to notice the good, which in turn attracts more positive experiences. Start each day by listing a few things you're grateful for, and over time, you'll notice a significant change in your mindset. Consistency is the key to success in this process. You didn't form your current beliefs overnight, and you won't change them overnight either. Reprogramming your mind requires dedication and daily practice. There will be moments when it feels challenging or when old habits try to resurface, but the important thing is to stay committed. Every time you consciously choose a positive thought over a negative one, you're reinforcing a new pattern in your mind. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and it's okay to have setbacks. What matters is that you keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps. Celebrate your progress, however minor it may seem, and keep your focus on the long-term transformation you're creating. As you continue this journey of reprogramming your mind, you'll start to notice changes not only in your thoughts but also in your behaviors, actions, and ultimately, your results. Your external world is a reflection of your internal world, so as you shift your subconscious beliefs, your reality will begin to shift as well. It's also worth noting that the subconscious mind is highly impressionable during certain times of the day, particularly in the moments before you fall asleep and just after you wake up. This is because your brainwaves are in a more suggestible state during these periods. By using this to your advantage, you can accelerate the reprogramming process. As you drift off to sleep, fill your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Upon waking, take a few moments to focus on what you want to achieve for the day and reaffirm your goals. Understanding the language of the subconscious is crucial in this process. The subconscious mind doesn't communicate in the same way the conscious mind does. It speaks in symbols, emotions, and repetition. That's why simple, direct affirmations work so well. Avoid using complex language or negative terms. For example, instead of saying, "I won't be afraid," say, "I am confident and fearless." The subconscious responds best to positive language that focuses on what you want to achieve, not what you're trying to avoid. Another important element in this process is self-compassion. As you work on reprogramming your mind, you may notice old fears, doubts, and insecurities surfacing. This is completely normal. Change often brings discomfort, as it challenges the familiar. Be kind to yourself during this process. Recognize that growth is a journey, and every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. In summary, reprogramming your mind using the power of the subconscious is entirely possible with intention, consistency, and the right tools. By becoming aware of your thoughts, challenging limiting beliefs, using affirmations, visualizations, and taking consistent action, you can reshape your subconscious mind to align with the life you truly desire. Surround yourself with positivity, practice gratitude, meditate, and be patient with yourself as you embark on this journey of transformation. The mind is a powerful tool, and with the right approach, you can unlock its potential to create the life you've always dreamed of. As we draw to a close, it's clear that reprogramming your mind through the power of the subconscious is an accessible and empowering process. By understanding how your subconscious mind works and applying practical techniques such as affirmations, visualization, and mindfulness, you can initiate profound changes in your life. This journey involves creating new, positive patterns in your thinking and consistently nurturing these patterns through daily practices. Note, the subconscious mind is highly receptive to change, and with dedication, you can shift your beliefs and transform your reality. If you found this exploration of reprogramming your mind insightful and valuable, consider showing your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Your feedback helps us know what content resonates with you and encourages us to continue bringing more helpful and inspiring material. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content that gets into personal growth and self-improvement. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos and never miss out on new strategies and tips to enhance your life. We appreciate your engagement and support, and we invite you to be part of our journey toward unlocking human potential. Share this video with friends or family who might also benefit from learning how to harness the power of their subconscious mind. Your shares help spread valuable information and create a ripple effect of positive change. Feel free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with reprogramming your mind. We love hearing from you, and your input not only helps us understand your needs better but also fosters a space where we can all learn from each other's experiences. Lastly, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you're always informed of our latest content. This way, you can continuously receive new insights and practical advice that can support your journey of personal development. Thank you for being here and for your continued support. We look forward to bringing you more valuable content and helping you achieve the life you envision.